Let's try this. Getting some mangoes.
Yeah. Ito, even mo.
Opo. Oh, okay, do that. Oh, Superman. See? Like that. Say like and subscribe.
Subscriber.
Good morning, Auntie Susan. Oh, yeah? Can I try?
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
Can you?
Why not?
Why not? No. Can you like hold this while I try? Okay. You show me and then I'll try. Ituro mo ako bago ako subukan ko. Yeah.
Pinoy kayo?
Apa. Pinag-anak ako dito sa Cavite.
So want to you up and
Itataas mo.
pull down. Tama ba?
And then pull.
Pull down. Yan, ganyan.
I see.
Kaya mo yan.
Oh, okay.
Upload mo ba sa YouTube yan?
Yeah. You want to be on YouTube?
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba?
I'll take one.
Oh,
Yeah. What was your name? Anong pangalan mo?
Ryan.
Brian? I'm Rex.
And Jan.
John.
May bayaw.
Yeah, I'll try. Okay.
Hawakan mo yung ano niya.
Girl.
Yeah. Can you hold this? Yeah.
Sasama tayo sa
What? It's very sour? Yeah. Napaka-tamis.
sa vlog niya.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna try. Let's try this. Getting some mangoes. Is this a good one? Alright, so,
Good job.
and then pull.
Yes.
Ganyan. Ganyan, okay.
Enough na. It's too heavy.
Alright.
Ako ka may important, di ka sukit.
Okay.
Para makita mo sa vlog.
Yeah. You'll be in the vlog.
Okay,
No, that's okay. So, binibenta nyo ito? No? Okay. Kakainin. Okay. Masarap kung may asin. Diba? Bagoong, yeah. At bagoong. Yeah. So, Brian, John, and what's his name? Anong pangalan?
Santi Dog.
Santi?
Santi Dog.
Santi Dog? Santi Dog.
Okay na.
What? Okay. Alright, so, what do I do with this? Okay.
Sungkit.
Sungkit, okay. Yung pangalan, Sungkit? Okay. Tagalog Sungkit, okay.
English, I don't know.
Hindi ko alam din. Sa English, hindi ko alam. Sungkit, okay, yeah. Nice meeting you. Yeah. You'll be in the vlog.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Reaching.
Reaching? Okay. Ingat kayo. I have one. Kia Melvin gave me one. So my mom got fish today. Fish and shrimp at the fish terminal. It's a fish terminal.
Different kinds of fish. Big fish, small fish, shrimp.
She got a lot. She got shrimp.
Big one, no?
Is this from the fish part? Oh, I went there.
Punta ka?
Yeah.
Amoy na pa. At yun yung nagtabas doon.
Nako,
Anak mo. Kawapo na po. Taas pa sa iyo ito. May pamilya na.
Wala pa. Walang asawa.
Hindi nakakarinig. Laksan mo.
Walang asawa.
Wala.
Wala pa akong asawa.
May na,
Ay, mag-iinom pa ba tayo?
Kasi,
Mag-iinom? Tutungga pa tayo?
Oo.
Nakakatungga pa ba kayo?
Hindi sa mama si
Nakakatungga pa?
Tutuwa ka.
Ate Daisy, yung
Alak!
Parang eh.
Labang pa eh.
Upo kayo.
nagpa-doktor at hinahapo yata. Kasi ba,
Ay.
aircon kasi pinagbubuhan sa side pin.
Ilang taon na?
34.
Ilan?
34.
Ilang taon ka na?
34.
Taka na matanda na yung mga mag-asawa. 83.
What was that?
83
83? Okay.
Oh, si nanay, yan pa. Oh. Puro mga malalakas pa dati.
Bata pa.
Ay!
Ay, sige Danilo, bata pa. Andiyan bata si Kuya Marino eh.
Parang 19, June 19, ano yun, 11, ano ba yun? Ano bang petsa?
Eh, si nanay namatay 2017.
Bata
Hindi
pa
pa
rin
nakaka-40 days namatay yung isang buo.
Eh, kung ano, COVID din yan. Si Kuya Ruben,
May sakit
mga nang ano eh, kapitan ng Pindera sa Pasay. Nung na-COVID eh, biglang-bigla. Oo, yung unang putok.
paglilinis.
Oh, ayun oh, ayan.
Ito lahat eh, inaano.
Ay, vlogger. Ano pangalan mo siya, vlogger?
Ayan.
Nay, is this gulunggong?
Hindi.
Hindi, ano yan, kabayan-bayan.
Anong lockdown diet gagawin?
Ay,
Saan
sila
nyo
ko
ba
binili
binilihan?
sa Peace Terminal.
Sa Pistel.
3,000 lahat yun eh. Dahil ang dami, napakamura. Ang dami, mura. Mura.
Really? Really? Okay.
Really learning.
Really early? I'm Rex.
So, pag hindi na ka makalakad dito sa higa, mag-isip na yun ako'y mamatay na.
Huwag naman. Eh, yung agimat nyo.
Bili ko yun!
Gawin siya dati. Ito, inisal ko. Totoo.
Oh, it's okay.
Inihaw daw niya yung ibang isda.
Okay.
Ito yung ibon, oh. Tataas niya yan.
Ah,
Ayan, oh.
it's like a dove. Oh, parang dove.
Ayan, oh. Yung bato-bato na ibon.
Oh.
Ayan, yung anong huni niya. Ganon. Ayaw to, may. Nahihiya.
Ganda ng aso niyo.
So half of the banana leaf, or half of the banana is open like this.
Ay, baka lang may banga ito pero hindi natin sure. Papadala ko.
And then he leaves it outside of the cage for the bird to just eat.
Tubig, ayun. Bibangan.
And then
Ibangan niya
and then
yan.
he puts water into a container for the bird to drink. This bird is called bato bato.
Bato-bato.
I don't know what this bird is in English.
Hindi ko pa alam anong baga niya sa English.
Wala dyan sa America?
Wala.
Wala. I think so. I don't think so.
Maganda eh, no? Saan niya nakuha yan?
Sige, nag-ano sa likod. Tapos papain niya yan. Tapos tutunong yung may sasabog. May dadating mo. Huli.
Yan. Nandyan ang sawa niya.
Maganda yung ibon. He's a little bit hard of hearing, so I have to shout. Maganda yung ibon nyo. Maganda ang ibon nyo.
Oh,
Maganda.
gusto mo ba?
Oh, gusto ko.
Matatalo sa tay. Ilan ba akong dala ito?
Dalawang ibon ng.
Dalawa.
So he hangs the bird because birds like being in the air and not on the ground. So that's why he hangs the bird. Seems like he takes really good care of the birds at least. At his old age. 82, if I remember correctly. Sumasalita yung ibon? Kumakanta yung ibon?
Ha?
Kumakanta yung ibon?
Ano?
Kumakanta yung ibon?
Oh, kung lumaban?
Kumakanta? Kakanta yung ibon?
Hindi.
Hindi?
Hindi.
Okay.
Pero, sige, kumakanta. Ay, pero hindi.
Eh, itong dalawa, hindi kumakanta?
Hindi.
Oh.
Oh, pagka walang pagkain, inumin, mamamatay.
Okay.
Kaya alaga sa pagkain.
Okay.
Parang tao. Kaya
Ah,
hindi nakain, namamatay. Hindi nain, mamamatay.
parang tao.
Oo.
Kung hindi kumakain.
Ala, araw-araw nilalagyan ng pagkain, painom.
Okay. Di araw-araw
Oo, araw.
pinapakain mo?
Oo, araw.
Saging?
Saging. Saka yung giniling na mais.
Ah, okay.
Yung mais na pinong giniling.
Uh-huh.
Oo, kaya.
So every day he feeds it.
Kaya lang naman eh.
Ah.
Kaya,
Edi,
kaya kanaan na ko'y
Yeah.
dumating ako narito na ginagawa.
I really had to shout. Did he keep birds before that? Before these? Before these? Yeah.
O, dati pa siya, bata pa yan.
Oh.
Hindi na inaalaga.
Oh, so
Ang dami niya.
he's been keeping birds since he was a kid. So he's been keeping birds since he was a kid. But these birds are 10 years old at least, I think. I feel like I'm hard of hearing now too after yelling, after all the yelling. I'm gonna show him he showed me his birds. So I'm gonna show him my bird. Ito ang ibon ko.
Teka.
May ibon sa Rex.
Oh. Eto.
Ayun, may drone.
Walang cage yung ibon ko.
Ito.
Ito, opo.
Ito, ibon mo.
Opo. Oo, tingnan mo. Teka lang.
Ayan.
Tingnan lang. Tingnan nyo.
Tingnan mo, Lilis. Meron din kami nilili niyan.
Oh, yeah. Oh, lumilipad ang ipon. Oh, tingnan mo. Oh. Lumilipad na. Hindi nakakulong. Hindi nakakulong ang ibon ko. Oh. Ibon. Ibon po. Oh. Nasa taas na. Bababa na. Walang pagkain to. Walang pagkain. Baterya, opo. Opo. Oh, ito tayo. Opo. Baka ma-discussion. Magaling ang ibon ko. Teka lang po. Teka lang po. Yung mga ibon to, yung may baterya ang ibon ko. Opo. Opo, yung controller. Photos, ito. Good boy. I have no idea where we are. I have no idea where most things are here. I'm just tagging along, really.
Yung arsena ng ano at puro babae. Lokban!
Dito ng aso.
This is the buto. I forgot the old guy's name.
Sige, eto, inggit ka, oh. Kumakain kami, sarap, oh. Ginataan, buko. Oh, ano pa?
Ito na ito. Okay.
Tinola.
I'll get some. Sure. Can I try cutting it next time? Yung next. Pwede kong hiwa. Yeah. Gusto kong mag-aral. Yeah.
Mataga ka.
No, okay. I'll be cautious. I'll go slowly. Okay, paano? How do I do it? Pwede mo akong ituto? Turo? Turuan mo ako. Yeah. That's why I'm learning. Yeah, that's why I learned. Yeah.
Ang ganito rights, oh.
Okay.
Kuya Jun.
Ganun mo, oh. Ito muna.
Away from the stem.
Yeah. Slowly.
Uh-huh.
Ganyan lang.
Okay.
Nahigop daw sabaw. Ako nahigop na sabaw.
Yung dalawang ano. Katabingi eh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Shopping board.
That's your shopping board.
Okay.
Tumagbusta siya.
Careful. Watch your finger.
Oh, I got it.
Away from it.
Away like this.
Yeah. Your finger.
No, I got it. I cook with a sharp knife. Everyone's watching me? Is it really that special? Is this entertaining? I'm not doing it right. Wait, Virginia, you're like, hold on. You're doing
There
that.
you go.
You're doing that. Okay, do that.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, so the knife goes like a.
Ano lang yan?
Heat up. I'm losing the juice.
Hindi, okay na.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Okay.
Open
Just,
with your...
okay.
Ano mo yung sabaw?
Okay. Did okay? Hindi maganda. Okay. Can I drink it?
Yeah.
I earned this one.
Yeah.
You drink like Kuya Jun.
Paano?
Like Kuya Jun.
Okay.
Just like what I did.
Well, it's okay. 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 I opened this one. I'm gonna drink it now. It's really good. Salamat kuya. Salamat ate.
Sige.
Bilis ni kuya. I'm so slow.
Diba? You can?
Mabagal ako.
Okay lang yan. It's your first time.
Yeah, fresh buko juice. Like what my mom said. Maraming juice sa loob. Oh.
Pakisando ko mo yung manok.
Coconut juice is full of potassium. 1 cup is like 700 milligrams. Yeah. About average. Yeah. Most people are lacking potassium. Because potassium and sodium need to be balanced for a good diet.
Kulang kayo sa potassium.
Potassium is electrolytes.
Sel, painumin mo pa ako ng buko.
Buko pa.
Buko pa.
Maghiwa ka. Hiwain mo.
Iwan. Ay, hindi. Ikaw.
I hiwa my own.
You hiwa your own.
Nihiwa kong sarili kong coconut.
Ibig mo
Buko.
sabihin, ako ngayon na magta-try maghiwa.
Yes. Yeah, it's cute. Choco? Choco ang pangalan. Chocolate.
Sino nasa Japan? Sawa ni Kuya.
Wow. Ang layo. Oh, dang. He's actually going all the way down there. That's crazy. Watch out, Lily. Watch out.
Lumalayo siya.
I'm helping these kids carry their car up the hill. I'm pretty much a Filipino triple A. Bilis. You now have the dog. Oh my god. Oh, hindi natakot ng aso? Oh, Superman! Superman! This kid is carrying a car over his head. I can't even do that. I don't even want to do that. Lily, high five. Here. I'm showing them the drone. Yeah. Hindi dumating? Oh my God. Hindi pa dumating? Dang.
Meron kasi dito na bibili yung
Oh, yung maliit. Para sa...
one for like 135.
yeah, just for kids. Para sa,
$2.50 or not even.
yeah, just for kids.
Yeah.
ko lang mamaya malaki.
You guys want to say hi? There's a camera. Hold on. Wait. Ayun. Wave.
Kanta siya man.
No.
Ay nila. Wala na din nakita.
Nandun pa oh. Dito, tayo.
Hindi na tayo.
Yan.
Ayun! Baba na! Ayun! Huli ka! Ayun!
Ito.
Di pa.
No, we're going back.
Going back?
Yeah, going back.
To Cali.
Bibili ako dyan yung malaki.
Bibili ka? Okay.
Ganyan, malaki.
Okay.
Ano mo?
Ilalagay ko sa YouTube.
Gulat ka na.
Here, you guys take a picture here. Ilalagay ko sa Instagram. Oh, I did it. See? That's called a kickflip. Oh, see?
Ooh, yes.
You see it?
Yes. Ooh.
Oh.
Kaya,
There.
ako,
Go, go.
kaya mo dito.
You cheated! Wag mo gamitin mo yung thumb. Dalawang finger lang. Oh, mahirap, di ba? Oh, here, see, look. See? Like that. Mahilig sa ibon. Yung bato-bato, hinuli niya. Okay. You guys ready? Presko dito. Doon sa hulugan, mainit.
Hello.
Hello.
Bye.
Say like and subscribe.
Subscriber.